calm down, calm down, calm down.
What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is a very awkward angle. I am on my last review for the day, honey. Do want to open this on camera. First of all, I want to point out how cute this packaging is, which is why I wanted to open it up on camera. I hate just snatching it out of the box and then showing you guys the hair because they just put so much into their packaging. This reminds me of like a Louis Vuitton box packaging. I know what's in this, but I still want to show you guys and get my initial reaction because it's like a little bit of a different type of unit. It comes like this, which is very, very luxe. Ooh, okay. I like their new little satin bag. At the bottom, you're given a stocking cap and not your traditional little ugly looking stocking cap packet. This is cute. And some Toni and Guy hair clips. I see some bleach knots. Oh, I hope so. I don't feel like bleaching nothing today. Oh, girl. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Listen, I'm not bleaching a thing. I'm not bleaching nothing, just so y'all understand. I'm not plucking anything either. Whose job finna be easy on today? This is one of the many reasons why I love Hair VV so much. They make everything so easy for wig beginners. And in the back, they also gave you elastic band, like a little bra strap kind of elastic bands. So that way you can wear this wig gluelessly. Now, this wig is kind of a T-part. Now, you are given a lot of lace in the front, but when it comes to your part, you're only given as much lace to have middle part, or if you switch the wig over, you can probably achieve a side part, but y'all know a middle part is fine with me. I didn't even see these. Girl, we got some extensions. Oh no, these clip-ins. They gave your girl some clip-ins to add into the wig. Let me just put this on. Her sis gonna lay. Hold it, because I can't see nothing. Ooh, I ain't even put no spray on her to melt her into my skin. Y'all may not get this wig either. I mean, okay, let me quit playing. I'm gonna go ahead and install her, and then we're gonna jump into these little clip-ins, girl, because now I'm hyped. I'm ready to go do some stuff now. I don't know if the camera is picking everything up, which I highly doubt. Just get into this. Oh, the AC on, y'all probably can't really hear. I'm gonna cut it off. Hold on, but it's a little bit hot in here.
Ready the question situation you what you found you and what the caliber is.
This lace looks really good. I want to do this gluelessly, so I think I'ma just tighten this up as much as I can so that it can lay really flat to my head. These clip-ins off the rip are a little bit rough, and some of the hair is coming out. It's probably rough because apparently the hair has been bleached. Y'all know bleaching the hair to kind of strip the hair of, you know, its moisture, makes it a little bit more tough. If you do end up using these clip-ins, you definitely are gonna have to deep condition your clip-ins first. You are given 1, 2, 3, 4 sets of clip-ins. Y'all know the fundamentals of a clip-in. I'ma just put it here. Uh-oh, hold it, hold it, hold it.
Hold it, child, because I'm about to mess up something.
Okay, let's put another one over here. I did go ahead and add another clip in over here to give it kind of like a peekaboo look. I didn't want to add all in because y'all know I'm very subtle. I don't like all that extraness. Now this clip-in thing is actually very smart. You don't want to pay for a highlighted wig because you guys know highlighted wigs cost an arm and a leg. The only hang up I'm having with these clip-ins is that they're very bulky, and as you can see right here, they're giving me like that bulky effect. All right, we are in there as far as it being laid. This is all lace, elastic band, and mousse, girl. I'm not very into highlights right now. Maybe later on in my wig journey, but right now I'm not very into highlights, but this is very cute. If you guys are into highlights, then these are definitely the wave to go with. Like I said, my only hang up is that the wefts are a little bit bulky. And yeah, you guys, that is how everything turned out. I am loving this unit. Like I said, the only hang up that I do have about these clip-ins is that they're a little bit rough, which was expected because of the bleaching that had to be done to the hair to achieve this color. All you guys have to do to make this hair a little bit softer, a little bit more moisturized, is to deep condition and let the deep conditioner sit for at least an hour and 30 minutes. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys did, please do not forget to give your girl a big thumbs up, and of course subscribe to the Beehive down below. Join the Beehive gang, the Beehive fam, because we are lit and we are never ever. Who's you over here? Do you understand me? I know you want to keep in contact with your girl because I'm your best friend, you're my best friend, we're all best friends. So add your girl on Instagram. I mean, what? And as always, my lovelies, I love every single one of you. But until next time, my lovelies, your crown may tilt, but you never let it fall. Stay gilded.
Watch your mouth. I know your game. What about you? Well, I say the sky's the limit, and to me that's really true. But my friend, you see nothing. Just wait till I get through because I'm bad, bad. Come on, come on. Bad, bad, really, really bad. You know I'm bad. I'm bad. You know, bad, bad, really, really bad. You know I'm bad. I'm bad. Come on, come on. You know bad, bad, really, really bad. And the whole world does the answer just right. Just tell you once again who's bad.
Close. Very sloppy, but close.
Oh, that wasn't bad, actually.
That wasn't bad. Bad. Who's bad? I'm not bad. Am I bad?
For the record, if you're curious, it was Jackson in a minute 8, Machida in just 20 seconds. For the 10 o'clock news, I'm Marcus Jones.